Hey, in this tutorial, we're going to use the CSS classes to make background gradient. So gradient color for this button. Okay, this will explain a bit what CSS classes are and how we can use them to take advantage of them on customization that Gohighlevel doesn't have yet, but we can use with custom code. Okay, so let's start. So CSS classes are what developers use to apply CSS to elements, and CSS are just the styles, so colors, sizes, sharp edges. So as you can see, those are in Gohighlevel, but those are made use CSS internally. Okay. So let's do something custom with CSS. First of all, we need to give this element a class so we can like reference it in the CSS code. We can always use the class that's given to us by Gohighlevel, which is this one at the bottom left. But I like to give it a class. So if you want to make like to apply the same style to different elements, you can just put uh, put this class name in all the elements. So let's say gradient, and now this element has the class gradient. Okay, so now what we can do is go to the CSS code and reference this class and apply gradient to all the elements that have this class. Okay, so to do that, it's pretty easy. We go to custom CSS, and to reference a class we just do dot and then the name of the class. Okay, so it's gradient, and then we open those curly brackets here and we close them. Okay, and now we need to search for the gradient colors that we want, and that's super easy. You can just go here to Google gradient generator, and it will take you to this website, cssgradient.io. And here you can select the gradient that you want. You can style it here. Okay, and then whenever you're ready, it will give you the CSS code here. So what you need to do is you just take this and paste it here. That's as simple as that. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so if you were using this class, which is CSS button here, it would only apply to this button. Okay, but let's say you want to do it to a section as well. Okay, so let's add another section. Let's say we want the same gradient for this section. So instead of just doing the same process all over again, we just need to add the gradient class here, and since it's already in the CSS, it will apply the gradient to this class since this has the class gradient. Okay, so that's how you do a gradient using CSS, and that's a bit of explanation on how classes work. Let me know if you have any questions, and I would be happy to answer them. Thank you.